Ever wonder why your mobile data disappears faster than you expect? Oh, 23 gigabytes already? One moment you're scrolling, watching, or chatting, and before you know it, boom, data is gone. But what if I told you there's an easy way to stop wasting data and even set up a warning before you run out? Stay with me, because whether you use a Samsung, Infinix, Tecno, another Android, or even an iPhone, I've got you covered. iPhone users, your steps are in the description, so don't scroll away. Alright, let's start with Android users. Here is how to set a data limit and warning. You go to settings, here, settings, and you tap connections, or network and internet if you have a different Android phone, and select data usage, this one. Then find billing cycle and data warning and tap it. So this is the alright. First we go to mobile data usage, that one. Then you find the billing cycle and data warning. So this will be like the billing cycle from March 1 to 31st, depending on, you can set the billing cycle here, but that's not what we're doing now. Okay, so find billing cycle and warning, then set a data warning. You go here to settings of this, settings here, and you can set a data warning here. Tap it. So you set a data warning. Let's say you want to use more than, let's say you don't want to use more than 2 gigabytes. You will get an alert when you're close. So if I set my data warning to 2 gigabytes, you can set it to anything. So when you're getting close to 2 gigabytes, you will get a warning. You will get a warning to let you know that you're about to get to 2 gigabytes. So, but if you want to completely stop data at a certain limit, then you have to enable set data limit and enter your preferred amount. So if you want to set data limit, so when you touch this, mobile data usage will pause if you reach certain amounts. So for me now, when I set this, it's a mobile data usage has been paused because you've reached the limits that you set. So here you can set your data limit. If you set it to 5 gigabytes, for example, you can set it to 10 gigabytes. So that means when you get to 10 gigabytes or 5 gigabytes, it will pause your data usage. Then hit save and you're set to go. Now, iPhone users, while Apple doesn't have a direct data limit setting, you can check the description of this video on how to track and reduce data usage. And here is a bonus tip. Always download videos, music, or large files on Wi-Fi to save data. And that's it. You never have to worry about unexpected data wahala. If this was helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite data saving trick, and of course, subscribe for more tech hacks.